Namaste and congratulations on your pregnancy. During pregnancy, you have two options. Option 1, you can give birth to a normal child. Option 2, you can give birth to a capable child. If you give birth to a normal child, you might have to take care of your normal child till the end of your breath. Option 2, if you give birth to a capable child, then that capable child will take care of you, your family, and society at large. Now, if you choose to give birth to a capable child, then I invite you to my masterclass for pregnant couple. On Sunday at sharp 11 o'clock, I am conducting a free masterclass to help a pregnant couple to plan and program their baby as a capable child. So looking forward to meet you in my masterclass this Sunday at sharp 11 a.m. Wishing you a healthy pregnancy and safe delivery. See you in the live webinar this Sunday at 11. Namaste.